Whether you are a toy maker, a wood crafting artist, a home dyer, or a professional carpenter, a scroll saw is an indispensable woodworking tool. Crafting a variety of wood types into intricate designs can be a challenge, but not when you own a scroll saw. Easy to set up and use, a scroll saw can be used anywhere, and it will bring your woodworking creations to life. There are many products available to choose the best scroll saws to create superb specialty cuts, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best scroll saws to create superb specialty cuts from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. General International Excalibur 16-inch Scroll Saw. The General International Excalibur Scroll Saw offers home woodworkers and professionals lots of wood crafting functionality and reliable accuracy. Built with a strong variable speed 1.3 amp motor, the Excalibur has ample power and a wide 400 to 1400 SPIM variable speed range. The sturdy and spacious 12x18 1/2-inch square table gives you plenty of room for a 2-inch thick workpiece, and its tilts 30 deg left and 45 deg right. Smart design features include upper and lower parallel arms, which give you better control and increased accuracy. This design keeps the blade straight with minimal blade deflection and prevents any accidental hand contact with the blade during use. Changing the blade is super quick with just a touch of your finger, and there are no tools required. A cleaner work environment can be achieved with the dust collector table kit that can be attached to a shop vac. General International offers a 2-year limited warranty on the scroll saw. Number 2. WEN 3921 1/6-inch 2-direction scroll saw. The WEN 3921 1/6-inch scroll saw is ideal for any woodcrafting hobbyist or home renovation guru. Creating accurate bevels and beautiful patterns is so easy with the WEN scroll saw. The strong 400 to 1600 SPIM motor allows for greater workpiece versatility. A cast iron base prevents vibration during operation, and the spacious steel 16x11-inch table tilts 45 deg to the left. Whether your preference is pinned or pinless blades, the WEN scroll saw has a unique blade holder that can be used with both blades. Blade changes are made easy with the tool-free thumbscrew blade adapter. Additional user-friendly features include a dust port, an air pump, a footlock clamp, onboard blade storage, and 3 bonus blades. WEN offers a 2-year warranty on the scroll saw. Number 3. Delta Power Tools 40694 20-inch Scroll Saw. The Delta Power Tools 40694 20-inch scroll saw will help you to create precisely cut masterpieces every time. Designed for professional and advanced DIers, the Delta scroll saw has a workhorse mentality. Its strong motor offers a wide 400-1750 SPIM variable speed range for a wide array of cutting applications. The large cast iron table provides excellent material support and bevels 0.45 deg left and right. A standout feature is the unique dual parallel link arm design, which reduces vibration and noise over cutting or undercutting and improves cutting accuracy and quality. Convenient design features help you to work smarter. The on-off switch, electronic variable speed dial, flexible dust blower, and blade tensioning lever are all conveniently located up front on the arm for easy accessibility. You can use the on-tool blade storage area to organize your blades, and the saw also comes with 2 bonus straight blades. Delta Power Tools offers a 5-year limited warranty on the scroll saw. Number 4. dewalt 788 20-inch scroll saw. Crafting intricate jigsaw puzzles or cutting accurate bevels are made possible with the dewalt 788 20-inch scroll saw. Whether you need to cut through 2-inch thick softwood or hardwood, the dewalt scroll saw is up to the challenge. Its powerful 1.3-amp motor produces intuitive variable speeds from 400 to 1750 spm, so you can easily find the perfect speed to suit your workpiece. The large 16x23 3/4-inch cast iron table provides substantial support, and it tilts 45 deg to the left and right for added versatility. Working with this scroll saw is effortless. Its on-off switch, variable speed control dial, and blade tensioning lever are conveniently located within easy reach on the front upper arm. The exclusive tool-free blade clamp system allows you to change the blade in seconds. A flexible dust blower can be directed wherever you need it, which means your work surface will always be clear of unwanted debris and harmful dust. The scroll saw also comes with a hex wrench and bonus blades. dewalt offers a 3-year limited warranty, a 1-year free service contract, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Number 5. Best rated scroll saw, Rockwell 7315. The Rockwell variable speed scroll saw comes with a 1.2-amp motor and variable speed between 500 to 1700 spm. The die-cast aluminum table bevels from 0 to 45 degrees, ensuring accurate cuts by adjusting the table. This lightweight scroll saw is great for beginners and hobbyists. This scroll saw can make cuts that are 2.5 inches deep. It comes with a blade guard to protect your hands from the blade. The onboard blade storage makes sure that your blade won't get lost or damaged. It comes with a built-in blower and a dust collection port, which is great for keeping your workplace clean. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.